What is up, family? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I fix all my lace wigs and all my frontals. I said I wasn't gonna do this video because I am not a pro at this. I don't make wigs. I don't do any of that stuff. I literally, when I get bald spots, this is what I do. I taught myself how to do this, so just please keep in mind, I'm only doing this based off what I know, and mine are fine. They don't shed after I put these in, so if anybody who makes wigs or frontals or whatever want to come up here and try and be like, you're not doing this right, you're not doing that right, look, I taught myself and it works for me. Do what works for you and worry about yourself. Right here, I'm just showing you the hair that I'll be using. This is actually shed hair from the unit. Most people who do like ventilating on wigs and stuff, they buy this hair by the bulk. It comes just how braiding hair would come, but I don't have any of that, nor do I do this that regular for me to just go out and purchase virgin hair in bulk like that. So I'm making do with what I have. Here you see me looping this. You're going to loop the hair just like you would if you were threading something through a needle to sew. On this ventilating hook, you see that small piece there's an even smaller piece that catches the hair when you're going through and ventilating it into the wig. I won't be explaining how to ventilate the hair into the wig because it's one of those situations where it's easier for me to show you than it is for me to tell you, so I'm just going to be quiet and let you see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Feelings so deep in feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go. Ladies, can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up. Ladies, can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up. Hold that. Listen to the heart go. Ladies, can back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies, can back it up, back it up. Ladies, can back it up, 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 can back it up.
And this is after everything has been filled in. The reason why I did not record myself filling this entire area in is because we would have been sitting here for at least an hour to almost 2 hours. It was a very small spot, but like I said before, it's very tedious and it's going to require you to have some patience with yourself because you're literally doing this strand by strand. I hope that this video was very helpful. I'm sorry if it was not beginner friendly. It's more for somebody who kinda has the hang of it but not fully. But if my video doesn't help you, you can always go on YouTube and watch other videos that may be a little bit more helpful to you. I'm happy I was able to get you at least started on it, so you won't have to trash your wigs or your frontals after they start to shed and all that jazz. So thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.